my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today's extreme speed clean with me is going to be pretty intense as we are doing lots of major cleaning in here. We're doing lots of deep cleaning. My main focus in the video was supposed to be our bedrooms, but I ended up doing some deep cleaning as well in the bathroom and in the kitchen. So make sure that you stay tuned to the very end if you are needing some extreme cleaning motivation. My house wasn't actually too messy, so I just had some tidying up to do here in the bedrooms before we get into the deep cleaning. So let's go ahead and do that. Put me up on whatever device and clean along with me. So as you can see, we are starting off in my toddler's room, and again, just going ahead and tidying things up before we get into some deep cleaning. She also had this fan here in her room, which I wanted to go ahead and get cleaned up. As you can see, it was very dusty, but we are currently out of AC, and so we brought this fan up from downstairs, and I needed to go ahead and get that all clean as well. We are now moving on to my other toddler's bedroom, and as you can see, her bedroom was quite messy. You'll notice there on her little table, she had tons of books and her train set was just kind of all over the place. And if you're wondering what that wooden piece is on her change table, it's actually the shelving that was on her walls. I have some projects that I have to get done in this bedroom here, so it's kind of like a little bit of a mess, but I didn't really care. I still wanted to show you the real life mess here. I still had to do some cleaning, and I wanted to get her floors vacuumed and mopped as well as her walls washed, so there was lots of deep cleaning to do in here as it had been a while. And so next time you see this bedroom, there will be many changes in here. So if you are into home DIY makeovers and projects and things like that, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. But we're gonna go ahead and get back into my other toddler's room now and finish vacuuming and mopping all over the bedrooms. Alright everybody, I hope that this video is giving you some extreme cleaning motivation. If it is and you haven't already, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, especially as a small creator, and it's free, so like why not? But I wanted to ask you guys if you are up and moving with me today, or if you are sitting back and relaxing and just trying to get some motivation. But I'm sure cleaning these walls is definitely going to get you up and motivated. I wanted to keep this video nice and upbeat, so I also hope you are enjoying the music. But we are going to get back into cleaning here, and we're going to start making our way through the rest of the house.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we are now starting to move into the kitchen. I'm gonna give you a forewarning here. I am showing a really gross clip of spiders coming up. It's actually disgusting, you guys. I counted 52 baby spiders in my kitchen, and I'm just like disgusted. So this is partially why I went on like a cleaning rampage in this video. But yeah, here is the clip here. You guys, look at all those little black dots. Those are all little baby spiders and the mama bear. I wanted to quickly show you what I was like vacuuming up there, as I again vacuumed them up and then kind of went to town. But yeah, obviously that was an issue. This was a while ago now that I'm filming the voiceover, as I did actually film ahead of time, because when you're watching this I'm on a camping trip. But I actually haven't found any more, so I'm guessing I got most of them. Obviously there was like a mama and her babies or something had kind of happened. But yeah, that is why I am like mopping the entire house, vacuuming everywhere. I vacuumed like all of the nooks and crannies of the house, and I was just doing my best to try and get rid of these spiders. Obviously, I have shared on my channel before, we do get a lot of spiders, but this was out of control. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to mopping and vacuuming the rest of the house before we get back to some major deep cleaning motivation.
What gets me going? Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, it gets when I'm in a bad mood. then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine.
So I just showed you there a little dryer ball that I ended up getting. I switched over to these over this past week here, and I have done numerous loads of laundry. As you all know, I try and get one load done a day, and I have been loving these dryer balls. So if you have been looking for some dryer balls, I will definitely have the ones that I got linked below in the description. I absolutely love them. I've noticed that my clothes take a lot less time to dry. There's actually a lot less lint so far, and yeah, I'm actually really impressed with them. So I thought that I would briefly share that with you during the laundry motivation.
Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. But what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
So I am just showing you a little bit of a before on my bathroom. I had saw on YouTube here, Brittany Vassar show me that you can get these little watermarks on your tub off using Comet, which she had saw off of TikTok from a girl named Vanessa. I don't remember her handle, but if you go to Brittany Vassar's channel, she will have it there. So I wanted to go ahead and give my tub a good scrub, as I had just finished dumping the mopping water down here and it really needed it. So figured that I would include it in this extreme deep clean with me video. And so yeah, we're just kind of going ahead and giving it a scrub, but I will be honest, the Comet did not work as well as I thought it would. It obviously got my tub really clean because this stuff is the bomb diggity, but it didn't end up getting the watermarks off the bottom of my tub, so I'm gonna have to try something else in a future video. But if you guys have these little stains here, let me know if you have had any success with getting it off the bottom of your tub. I would love to know. But moving on, this window has been bugging me for a while now, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a really good clean before moving on to some more deep cleaning in the kitchen.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
So I am going to end this extreme clean with me with wiping down my kitchen cabinets as they got really gross. And if you are wondering what I have been using on my floors, on my walls, as well as the kitchen cabinets when doing all of this deep cleaning, I have been actually using the Go Clean Co method, which is a girl on Instagram. If you don't follow her, I highly recommend it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and it gave you tons of cleaning motivation, again, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button for more cleaning motivation, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back.